Hi guys, welcome to Bikers Club channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about the new Harley Davidson Street Glide 2023. So make sure to watch the full video. The trio of Harley Davidson Street Glide models return for 2023 with some new color and finish combinations. In addition to the standard Street Glide, there is also the stylish Street Glide Special and sporting Street Glide ST. The manufacturer's suggested retail price range from $21,999 for the standard Street Glide in vivid black with a chrome finish to $30,799 for the Street Glide ST in white sand pearl. The price does not include a $1,000 surcharge that Harley Davidson tacked onto models last year due to rising production costs. ABS is stock on the Special and ST, but a $950 option on the standard version. The Reflex Defensive Rider System is optional on all three models at a price of $1,100. This basic version is the least expensive route into the 2023 Harley Davidson Street Glide lineup and features a Milwaukee 8-107 motor. Vivid black can be had for $21,999, with the Atlas Silver Metallic and Redline Red versions carrying a $22,759 price tag. The Street Glide Special ups the ante with a Milwaukee 8-114 power plant, an upgraded sound system, and a TFT dash. If you can't find something you like among the 9 paint and finish options, we don't know what to tell you. Vivid black whole or chrome finish, $27,999. Vivid black or black finish, $28,999. Beja orange wool or chrome finish, $28,749. Gray haze or chrome finish, $28,749. Atlas silver metallic wool or black finish, $29,749. Prospect gold or black finish, $29,749. Bright billiard blue, billiard gray or chrome finish, $29,499. Bright billiard blue, billiard gray or black finish, $30,499. Industrial yellow, vivid black or black finish, $30,499. The line-topping Street Glide ST hits the Milwaukee 8-117 motor, and the solo seat is 0.6 inches higher off the ground. Vivid black is priced at $29,999, with white sand pearl demanding $30,749. What do you think about the new Harley Davidson Street Glide 2023? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel before you go.